Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Have you had your eye on a Chromebook? I'm going to share with you some pretty cool things that I love about it. This is the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, and I love the little case that it comes with. It has a really nice feel to it. It also has a kickstand, which is very convenient. I think the size of this Chromebook is just perfect. It's not too big, not too small, and when you take that case off, it has a really pretty ice blue and iron gray finish to it, which I think is really unique and really beautiful. I love that. And then the case just snaps right back on, super easy to take on and off. And same for the keyboard that it comes with. Great size keyboard, really nice and comfortable to use. And I love that it literally just snaps into place. And you can use that kickstand, and then you've got an amazing setup. When you have the keyboard on, it's in keyboard mode, and the moment you detach it, it goes to tablet mode, which I think is really smart and convenient. It also has beautiful picture quality, and it also has the capability to be used along with the stylus. I appreciate how well the Chromebook works and how it just keeps things nice and simple. I think that this Chromebook is a great option to stay productive on the go, and I think that you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.